Hey guys, welcome to Vlogs, and today I'm gonna take the 5-minute because I only have 5 minutes and 32 seconds. And we're here on the Palaisdaan. We're gonna be eating our lunch because we want to. So yeah, we have to. Also, look at this place. This is where the tigers and lions and snakes are. So. Coconut. There's a fish pond. I'm sure that we're gonna be here eating, and I'm gonna have a GoPro. This is not a swimming pool, Sam. Oh, there's a swimming pool right there. It's not a swimming pool. This is a swimming pool. Really, Sam? Oh, look at that fishes! Lions and lions. Yo, guys, we're gonna show you a real lion and tigers. It's a real tiger right there. Oh, jeez. These animals are so hyperly dangerous that it's so crazy. So we're gonna go there in a few minutes. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, and comment to this video right now. And yeah, we're just gonna eat here. Then we'll see you in the car. Maybe. Yeah, what's up? Also, guys, if you wanna have a giveaway on fidget spinner, we're gonna have a giveaway. Sam's gonna have a giveaway, so you have to subscribe to this channel, like this
sa amin,
video,
pwede na, oo. Tsaka yung sinugno na lang.
and then go
Ilang piraso lang yung isa nun eh.
down the description below and say hashtag Team Sam giveaways for me and your entered. Also, if you want a red one,
Pero ito makitilapia, mga ito.
if you want a red
Isang
one,
sinugno
you
tsaka
have
isang
to
ginatan.
subscribe to the channel, like, comment, turn on post
Ginatan din yun.
down below. Team 3 p.m.
Isang sinugno at saka barbecue.
at
Ilang
3
piraso
p.m.
yung barbecue?
giveaways for me. Okay. And if you want a little more or
At saka yung drinks ninyo, anong available?
you put
Ano?
hashtag Team
Yung isang
at
cup
Team
na ano,
Pam,
ay isang mug
don't.
na ano,
It's
yung
lit, it's cool.
iced tea.
And I want to see the tiger.
Ay, wala, ay ano ba?
But yeah, we're gonna see 1, 2, 3. What is that? So mad, dude. So the tiger's having a delicious meal. Look at that. I'm a tiger. Oh no. I'm a tiger sleeping. Okay. Boom! Look at that water supply. Where's the turtle? There's the turtle, guys. Right there. I think the alligator's dead. Yeah, one time I saw the alligator. Oh, there's like a mini alligator. Right there. Can't see it on camera, but where? Oh, so there's a swimming pool right there. So yeah, let's go back to the camp. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, guys.
Nasaan yung bag ni Sam? Iniwan.
I'm gonna go to the car in a few minutes after we eat. But first, I'm gonna show you the food before I start off everything. Bam! 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 Never mind showing the food, guys. I think I'm gonna end this video in a few seconds because it's about to end. I don't know what I said earlier, like 6 and I don't know, but we have a little bit of time. So I can't shout out it, but anyways, I'll give a lucky shout out to Tita Man right now, and she's gonna give us our fidget spinner, so it's pretty cool. So we're in the Palaisdaan right now. Peace. Subscribe.